In this video, I will show you how can you change your Clash of Clans game's ID name. It's very simple. What you have to do, only have to follow my steps. So for changing your Clash of Clans game's ID name, you have to open your Clash of Clans. You can see here I am opening my Clash of Clans game, and after come here in your Clash of Clans game, you have to simply click here settings gear option. You can see here settings gear option. You can see this is settings gear option. You have to click, and then you can see here option called mode settings. You have to simply click here mode settings, and then you can see here change name. You have to simply click here change name, and for changing name you have to spend 500 gems if you changing it for second time, and first time for free. I am changing for second time, so I have to spend 500 gems. So here you have to enter your name, what you want to give here. Simply I am giving here my name, and then you have to click here continue, and then again you have to put the same name, and then you have to click here continue, and then you have to write here confirm. You can see here C capital in capital letter you have to write confirm, CONFIRM. You can see here confirm, and then you have to click OK, and your 500 gems will be spent and your name will be sent. That's how you can sense your Clash of Clans ID name. Thank you so much.